y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and say that a lot of times men blame women for stuff and women blame men for stuff. But the reality is a lot of people, male or female, do not know how to communicate. A lot of people are passive aggressive. They don't say what they're actually thinking or how they actually feel. Some people expect, especially women, they expect the other person to read their mind or know what they're thinking or know what they're feeling, as if this person should know better, right? Instead of just saying what's on their mind and how it's making them feel. And sometimes you can't say it in the moment. Sometimes you have to sit back and think about it and say it when the person is more calm, right? Some people don't know how to, again, get their point across without yelling or cursing because they feel like the person is trying to play them or is doing something intentionally when that may not be the issue at all. The issue may be something that has to do with your childhood and how one of your parents or other relatives treated you, and you didn't have a voice to say anything back then, so you assume that the person in your life now should just automatically know, and that's a huge problem. Hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.